Hello everyone, and welcome back to Everson Emporium. Today, what we're going to be opening is 5 Evolving Skies booster packs, all from one ETB. We shall first start off with, let's start with the Duraludon G-Max. And get these other ones out the way off to the side. Actually, could you come here for a moment, Dad? We're going to ask you to pick one booster that will open last. So, this one. We'll be opening that one last. First off shall be Duraludon G-Max. Well, sorry, V-Max in card game. We're looking for, in this set, quite a few cards. There's an alternate art Mew, there's an Espeon V-Max, there's the Gengar V-Max. Quite a few to be looking for. Oh, well, I've already seen the back of it. Whoops. There's the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Our energy is Leaf Energy. So first up we have Scrafty, Ursaring, Crystal Cave, Hoppip, Swablu, Zorua, Cryogonal, Petilil, Reverse Hollow Nuzleaf, and Normal Rare Altaria. We put our normal rares there, reverse hollows there, and the rest of them shall sit right there. Next up we have another one, Sylveon. Oops, well, that pack didn't quite open right. As I always say, these are easier to open from the bottom. See? Pokemon packs, for some reason, are just easier to open from the bottom of the pack than it is actually the top, I find. Code card. Flip them over. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Darkness Energy. We have Toy Catcher, Raihan, Avalugg, Bergmite, Drowsy, Scraggy, Bagon, Woobat, Reverse Hollow Teddiursa, and Normal Hollow Rare Zygarde, who shall sit right there. Next up, Umbreon on the front. See, hard to get open from the top, well, it was rather easy from the bottom. Whoop, don't want to have a look at that. There's the code card. Come over, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Leaf Energy. We're starting with Herdia, Pyroar, Dream Ball, Gossifleur, Feebas Rapid Strike, Hippopotamus. Can't say that properly, I'm sorry. Lillipup, Nickit, Reverse Hollow Regieleki, and Normal Rare Milotic. Next is Rayquaza, or Rayquaza, everyone says it differently. Let's open him up. Code card. Oops, that's upside down. Code card. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Our energy is Water Energy. And we're starting off with a Fletchinder, a Lantern, Treasure Energy, Swablu, Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Pumpkaboo, ooh, my brother's favourite Pokemon, Reverse Hollow Lilligant, and Normal Hollow Rare Galarian Zapdos. Let's get these in their pile. Next, it's the pack my dad picked. Let's see if he's picked one with a really good VMAX or a V. If I was to pick one card out of this set I would like to get, it would be the Espeon VMAX. Just because I like collecting all the evolutions. Code card. Flip them over. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. We're starting off with a Darkness Energy. Could mean Umbreon, if Umbreon's even in... Oh yeah, this is Evolving Skies, not Fusion Strike. Doi, but what I'd want most out of this would be the Altar Umbreon. And Dark Energy is Umbreon. So who knows? Starting off, we've got Rapid Strike, Scroll of the Flying Dragon. Followed by Trussel, Switching Cups, Teddiursa, Mareep, Zorua, Tentacle, Hoppip, Reverse Holo Pinsir, and Normal Rare Smeagol. Well, nothing all that good today. Hold up. We've got one bonus pack today of Premier League Adrenaline Panini Soccer Cards. 2021 to 2022. These are official Premier League products, and I know nothing about what's in these, so we'll all be learning together. If I can get it open like that. I wouldn't even know who we were looking for in one of these, so I could pull someone absolutely amazing and I would be sitting here going, huh? So starting off, we've got Defensive Rock, Ruben Dias, Defender. Pretty cool looking card. Then we've got Game Breaker, Calvin Phillips. He is a midfielder. Pretty cool looking card. Okay. Apparently these are the special ones. Forward Adrenaline. We've got, it looks normal to me, Jamie Vardy. I think I've opened it upside down. I wouldn't know, let's just flip them over. Yeah, I have opened them upside down. Oh well. We ended up with Aaron Cresswell, Charlie Taylor, and Jan Bednarik. I know nothing about soccer, so could be cool, could be bad. These are our two good ones, apparently. Afraid I just don't know. Let us know in the comments if you do know, and if I've pulled something good and you've gone, oh, you should have sleeved that, please let me know so I know for the future. Catch you all next time.